Hello and welcome to StickyTrades. I'm AJ Monte and I'm so happy you found us here on our brand new website. Thank you, thank you, thank you. This is a one-stop shop for traders, investors, even real estate folks that are getting into real estate investing. We're more or less a one-stop shop for education and content. We're more or less listed as a technology company that is publishing educational content. So we have a lot to offer as we move forward into the near future. Take a look around our website. You'll see that there are many different services that we have. My trade alerts are still in force. I'll be doing weekly market reports, midweek market reports. I'll be doing 3 webinars a week, and you can just plug right in. Just as an FYI, we're putting together a Q&A area where you can submit questions. I will personally answer those questions, and then we will archive those questions and answers for people who have similar questions moving forward. I'll still be doing my rapid fire stock analysis. We are going ahead with our options service for spread traders. I have directional trades that are going to be going out as well. All of these are going to be archived. You'll get SMS text messaging when these alerts go out. And we are very happy to announce that we're going to be incorporating artificial intelligence, aka AI, into the stock selection process. We're going to be pointing out buy signals, sell signals. You'll know what to do when you see the charts. But most importantly, I'm focused on risk management. That's the very first video that we have in our educational library, because I want to make sure everyone knows how to use the 1% rule when managing risk. Again, I'm AJ Monte and I'm happy to have you with us. So long.